Hey, it's Meg, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. Today I am coming to you with a junk journal with me. Now the lovely Daisy over at My Green Cow has organised a little rainbow hop between myself, Katie, Lisa, Kia, Grace and Helen, and I will leave everyone's links down below. So as you might have guessed, I am green in the rainbow, so if you've come from yellow from Daisy, then hello, welcome. You are here for the green segment, and then I will leave a link down below to Katie's video, who will be doing everything blue. So I wanted to just pop on just before I obviously started, just to kind of show you what I've kind of done to prep for this. Now you might be thinking, Meg, why are you taking part in a rainbow challenge when you are like the least colourful person? And that's true. People joke that my favourite colour is brown. I do like my vintage neutral dull colours, but I thought green was the closest to kind of earthy colours and plants, so that's what I've gone with. And as you know, I really love using sort of florals and different plant elements within my journals anyway, so I thought that would be perfect fit. So what I have done is I have sort of gone round my little craft room and gathered together anything green that I could find. I'm not going to use all of it, I don't think, but I just wanted to sort of have everything in one place that I had that was green, just so that I have it to hand when I'm creating my page. So what I've got here is I just went through my bookshelf of sort of vintage books, and I just pulled out things that were green or that you know, reference plants that I might use, maybe as some text. This was quite interesting. I thought that might be nice to cut out, and then just some larger pieces as well. Maybe I might use them as sort of more background elements. So that's what I've picked out there, and I will obviously use sort of more neutral materials to complement this, but like I said, I just wanted to pick out everything that was green. I've also got a couple of luminance green pencils, maybe to do some details, and some green Tombos as well. This is a very bright green, so I'm probably not going to use that, because what I thought was interesting with green as well is that obviously you've got varying shades of green, so you could go for like sage green, olive green, all the way through to like lime green. So we're probably going to stick to a more earthy green with this journal page. I've also got some other smaller bits of ephemera, just some little scraps. This here, you'll see it's pretty much brown, but there's some tiny little spots of green, which I thought was something that would count for the green. And then I've pre-cut just some fussy cut like florals and leaves to sort of add to my page. I think I'm definitely going to use these because this is kind of something that I like to do in my journals anyway. Then I've also got some washi tapes. I went through my whole basket of washi tapes and this was the only green I could find. So these two are like plant ones, so this one's a leaf and this one's little plant pots, which is kind of cute. And this one, it's got like lots of obviously green leaves in it, and obviously using other colours because I can use other colours as well to sort of complement the green. It doesn't have to be a green explosion, or at least that's what I'm going for. And then this kind of green grid type of thing, but I don't know if that's going to go with what I'm going to do, but I just pulled it out because it was green.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So this is the final spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this come together. I certainly enjoyed creating it and using a bit more colour than I might usually. So thank you so much to Daisy for organising this journal hop. Of course, you'll find everyone's links down below so you can go and watch the rest of the rainbow. And if you want to see more of my work, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm also Meg Journals over there, or you could subscribe to my channel so you are notified the next time that I post a video. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day wherever you are. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!